For our work section here, it basically presents the work that you have done. It could be your projects, your products, your screenshots, your graphical work, and etc. And it's divided into different categories. So if you click on one of these project, you could see a detail of it. This is actually a post page. And people could even leave comments if you want to. So how do we edit this section is we return to the admin panel. Under here, projects, click on all projects. Here you can see all the projects that you currently have. To edit them, just have to click edit, and you could give a description of this project, the category. You could always add new category here, and you could allow or disallow comments, and also the link. This link here is actually this link when you want it to link to your project details page. So if you followed my course closely so far, you should be able to edit this yourself. But bear in mind, you also can change the image here. Then you could also create categories for your projects here, which is available here.